All right, so celebrating Graham's birthday. Say hi, Graham.
Hi.
We're gonna cook at Jensen.
Hey guys. Hey. How you doing?
Ready?
Oh,
You
that's a
taking
picture, not a
pictures?
video. What does the gay horse eat? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, Johnny. Blast away. Oh, and she's done.
Yeah, that's a little
Dust
different.
got right off her.
Round 3. Fight. And go.
And she's done.
And now it's done. Big difference. Big difference.
Who's louder?
Well, yeah, we've been running.
And it's in water, and he's standing in water.
Old Kenwood.
And she's done.
And yeah, 3 seconds.
That was a bad one. It's a piece of shit still.
Shake it. Shake it.
No.
Plug it in.
Plug it in. You want like connectors?
All right, so just so everybody knows, we're all chipping in $20 to Joey over there,
Give me the other end.
and he's gonna let us wire up to the wall with his SA8.
That's why I'm a franker.
You need mail, right?
As you can see, the remnants of the previous fun.
Oh, well, we'll get one on order now.
Order it up.
Yeah, because I wanted it down to 2 ohm, so I got doing 4. Just gonna fry right quick.
All right, Joey.
I can't remember how I wired it. Say goodbye to your sundown. Bye, sundown. Fire in the hole. And she's done.
Where's your drill? Oh, there's the smoke. There's the smoke.
Oh, birds!
Go back in.
Say bye to your sub, Joey.
Bye-bye, sundown. You made me proud.
Holy fuck.
That's a lot of smoke.
You wanted smoke. Kicker one. Oh, that burns.
So yeah, Graham's a little bit of a collector. And this doesn't include 2 ZR240s old school kickers and 3 ZR1000 old school kickers. Funny stuff.